Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow, the podcast that helps you speak natural, real-life English every single day. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emma. It's great to have you with us today. So, Ryan, what are we talking about?
Today's episode is all about inviting friends to a party.
Oh, I love parties. But I also know that sometimes it can be a little awkward to invite people, especially if English isn't your first language.
Exactly. You might wonder, what's the right way to ask? Should I say, would you like to come? Or do you want to come over? Or maybe, you have to come.
Yeah, and sometimes the way you invite someone can change depending on how close you are with them. Like inviting a best friend versus a coworker.
Right. So today we're going to learn some really natural and friendly ways to invite people to a party. Plus, how to accept or politely decline an invitation.
Sounds like fun. Let's get started with our vocabulary preview. Vocabulary preview. Okay, so before we listen to the dialogue, let's go over a few useful words and phrases that you'll hear today.
Our first phrase is throw a party. To throw a party means to organize or host a party. Example, we're throwing a party for my birthday this weekend.
Right? So if you throw a party, you're not literally throwing it like a ball. It just means you're hosting it.
Exactly. Our second phrase is come over. To come over means to visit someone's home. Example, hey, why don't you come over this Friday?
Nice. Our next one is bring something. When you're invited somewhere, people sometimes say, bring something to share. Example, can you bring something to drink?
And another one you'll hear is, I'm down. That's a very casual and modern way of saying, I want to do that. Example, do you want to come to my party? Yeah, I'm down.
Perfect. And finally, we have make it. If someone says, I can't make it, it means I can't attend. Example, sorry, I can't make it on Saturday.
Great. Let's listen for those phrases in today's dialogue. Dialogue. Hey, Emma, what are you up to this weekend?
Not much. Probably just relaxing at home. Why?
Well, I'm throwing a little party on Saturday night. Just a few friends, some food, some music. You should totally come.
Oh, that sounds fun. What's the occasion?
Nothing special, really. I just thought it'd be nice to catch up with everyone.
That's awesome. What time should I come over?
Around 7. We'll probably order some pizza and play a few games.
Nice. Do you want me to bring anything?
Maybe just some drinks or snacks if you want, but don't worry about it.
Okay, cool. I'm down. Do you want me to invite Sophie too? Yeah, sure. The more the merrier.
All right, I'll let her know. Can't wait. Dialogue. Hey, Emma, what are you up to this weekend?
Not much. Probably just relaxing at home. Why?
I'm throwing a little party on Saturday night. Just a few friends, some food, some music. You should totally come.
Oh, that sounds fun. What's the occasion?
Nothing special. I just thought it'd be nice to catch up with everyone.
What time should I come over?
Around 7. We'll probably order pizza and play some games.
Do you want me to bring anything?
Maybe some drinks or snacks if you want.
Okay, I'm down. Do you want me to invite Sophie too?
Yeah, sure. The more, the merrier.
Okay, now it's time for our Fluency Builder. This is where we look at how native speakers say things naturally, in real life.
Right. We'll take some of the sentences from the dialogue and show you more natural or common ways to say them in everyday conversation.
Let's start with the question, what are you up to this weekend? Now, you could also say, got any plans this weekend? Or even shorter, doing anything this weekend?
Exactly. Native speakers love shortening things. Instead of, do you have any plans this weekend? We just say, got any plans? It sounds friendly and relaxed.
Next one, I'm throwing a little party. There are a few ways to say this too. I'm having a few friends over. We're getting together on Saturday. I'm hosting a small party.
Good point. Having friends over is one of the most natural ways to talk about inviting people to your home.
Okay, next. You should totally come. There are a bunch of fun ways to say that. You've got to come. You should come hang out. You can't miss it.
Ha ha. Yeah. You can't miss it is something people say when they really want to convince you to join. It's like saying, it's going to be awesome. You have to be there.
All right, next expression. Do you want me to bring anything? You can also say, should I bring something? Want me to grab anything on the way? Can I help with anything?
Nice. And the polite response to that is usually something like, oh, no need. Just bring yourself. If you want, maybe bring a drink.
Exactly. And let's not forget about accepting and declining invitations. Both are important.
Right. When you accept, you can say, sounds great. Count me in. I'm down. I'll be there.
And when you can't make it, here are some polite ways to say no. I'd love to, but I already have plans. Thanks for the invite, but I can't make it. Maybe next time.
Yes. Maybe next time is friendly and polite. It keeps the conversation positive.
So, if you ever get invited to something you can't attend, don't just say no. Use one of these polite sentences. It sounds much better in English.
Culture chat. Okay, let's talk a little about party culture in English-speaking countries.
Yeah, in many Western cultures, like in the US, Canada, or the UK, when someone invites you to a party, they often expect you to bring something.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be big, maybe a drink, some chips, or dessert. It's just a nice gesture to say, thank you for inviting me.
And it's also common to say, what can I bring? Or do you want me to bring something? Even if the host says, don't worry about it, it shows politeness.
Right. Another thing is timing. If a party starts at 7, people usually arrive a bit later, maybe around 7:15 or 7:30. Coming exactly on time can sometimes be a bit too early.
Haha, yeah, and remember, if someone invites you and you say, I'll come, make sure you really go. In English-speaking culture, if you cancel at the last minute, it can seem rude unless there's a good reason.
Definitely. Being reliable is a big part of building friendships.
And if you're the one throwing the party, it's always nice to check who's coming. You can ask, are you still coming on Saturday? Do you think you'll make it?
That way, you know how many people to expect and how much food to prepare.
Pronunciation practice. Now let's take a quick moment to practice pronunciation. One phrase we used a lot today is, you should totally come. Let's break it down. Listen and repeat after me. You should totally come. Notice how totally sounds like totally. Native speakers often drop the middle T sound in fast speech.
Exactly. Now try this one. What are you up to? In natural speech, we say, what are you up to? Yeah, the sounds connect. What are you becomes what are ya? It's super common in spoken English. Here's another one. Do you want me to? This often sounds like, do you want me da? Do you want me to bring anything? Arrow. Do you want me da bring anything?
These reductions make you sound fluent and natural. But don't worry, you can use them slowly at first.
Exactly. Clarity is more important than speed, especially when you're learning.
Practice time. Role play. All right, now let's do a short role play. I'll be the one inviting, and you can listen. Then repeat after Ryan. Hey, I'm having a few friends over this weekend. Do you want to come?
Sure. What time should I come over?
Around 7. We'll have food and music.
Sounds fun. Should I bring something?
If you want, maybe just some snacks.
Cool. I'm down. Now let's switch roles. I'll invite you this time. Hey, Emma, I'm throwing a party on Saturday. Want to come?
I'd love to, but I can't make it this weekend. Maybe next time.
No problem. Hope you can join next time.
Nice. So, listeners, practice both sides, inviting and responding. It helps you be ready for real-life conversations. Dialogue. Replay.
All right, let's listen to the dialogue again. This time, you'll understand a lot more. Hey, Emma, what are you up to this weekend?
Not much. Probably just relaxing at home. Why?
Well, I'm throwing a little party on Saturday night. Just a few friends, some food, some music. You should totally come.
Oh, that sounds fun. What's the occasion?
Nothing special, really. I just thought it'd be nice to catch up with everyone.
That's awesome. What time should I come over?
Around 7. We'll probably order some pizza and play a few games.
Nice. Do you want me to bring anything?
Maybe just some drinks or snacks if you want, but don't worry about it.
Okay, cool. I'm down. Do you want me to invite Sophie too?
Yeah, sure. The more, the merrier.
All right, I'll let her know. Can't wait. Okay, let's review what we learned today. We'll say each phrase. You repeat after us.
Ready? Let's go. What are you up to this weekend?
I'm throwing a little party.
You should totally come.
What's the occasion?
Do you want me to bring anything?
I'm down.
The more, the merrier.
Great job. These are super natural phrases you can use anytime you invite or accept an invitation. Quick tip.
Here's a tip before we finish. When you invite someone, always sound warm and positive, even if it's a casual event. Tone matters more than fancy grammar.
Exactly. You can keep it simple and still sound friendly. Just say things like, you should come, or we're having people over. It'll be fun.
And remember, in spoken English, it's all about connection, not perfection. Wrap up.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode, Inviting Friends to a Party.
We learned how to invite people naturally, accept or decline politely, and use common real-life phrases.
So next time you want to hang out with friends, try saying, hey, we're having a few people over. You should come.
Yeah, and if someone invites you, don't forget those magic words. I'm down, or the more, the merrier.
Thanks for listening to English Flow. Don't forget to subscribe, practice with a friend, and join us next time for another real-life English conversation.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.